Hello, welcome back to my channel. Mimamwina Akwaba. Today I'm going to show you how I make my shea butter moisturizing cream for my skin and my hair. With this recipe, I'm going to use about half a cup of pure olive oil. You can see how green it is. This organic olive oil. And also I'm going to use tea tree essential oil. I like the smell of this oil. You can add any oil that you like to it. And I'm going to use argan oil for the hair treatment. I will be using this oil purposely for the one I will be applying to my hair, and also glycerine for my skin lotion or my skin cream. I like this one because it helps the skin a lot. Also, I'm going to use organic coconut oil. This is pure organic coconut oil. This is my shea butter that I'm going to use. This is the one that I got from Ghana. You can get your shea butter from any African shops around here. This is very soft already. So I'm going to just put everything on fire. It's very soft. You can see it when you apply it on your skin. It's already very soft. I have my boiling water here already. I'm going to add my wooden steamer, and place my bowl on top of it. You just place the bowl on top of it. You don't want the shea butter to have direct contact with the fire, so you're just going to use the steam to just melt your butter nicely, because you know shea butter have a high concentration of fatty acids and vitamins. That is very good ingredient for softening your skin. I've been using shea butter for as long as I know, and it has been amazing on my skin. You know, when you have this beautiful dark skin, you don't want to be using any other ingredients on your skin, but shea butter is beautiful on my skin and I love it. So I'm going to allow this to just simmer. Okay, yeah, it has the steam has been doing its job, and I'm not going to allow it to finish melting. I'm going to add the olive oil to it. You can see nicely, so that it will just be able to melt together with the butter or shea butter. And I'm also going to add my organic coconut oil to it, so that everything will melt together easily. Very beautiful. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this oil, coconut oil, to my cream. You know, coconut oil also helps your skin a lot. When you have an African skin, or whether you are fair colored or you are dark in complexion like I am, you want cream that, you know, will keep your skin soft and moisturized. And also all these things also helps prevent premature wrinkles in your face or on your skin, and also prevent or reduces your stretch marks. You know, I've had 4 children and I know what I'm talking about. So I love this cream. Okay, I love it. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to stretch marks. Our shea butter is done, and I'm just going to take it off the stove, and I'm going to keep it. You allow it to cool down and just keep it in the fridge for it to harden a little bit. Okay, our shea butter is hard enough. Yeah, it has hardened up enough. You want it like this. Yeah, not too hard, not too soft, not too watery or liquid, so that we can use our cake mixture to just work in it. Now I'm going to use my mixture to just help it soften a little. We continue to mix or beat our shea butter cream very well until it becomes very creamy or very soft and very smooth. Yeah, nicely, just like this. Is done, and I'm going to just scoop with my spatula. I'm going to scoop about 3 to 4 spoons of the mixture. This is the one that I'll be adding my hair treatment. I'm going to use this for my hair treatments. So I'll be adding the argan oil to this, and I'll mix it again separately. I don't want to just mix all the oils together, no. So you just separate them and you mix your oils differently. The one for your skin and hair. The hair cream butter is ready, and I'm going to add argan oil to it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of it. This is half a teaspoon, so I'm going to add 2 of this to the butter, and I'm going to just mix everything. This is the hair treatment one, not for the skin, this is for the hair. So I'm going to just add everything together. The argan oil is also very good for your hair, and because of the olive oil and the coconut oil in it, it's perfect for your hair. Our cream is ready, and I'm going to add our glycerine to it. I'm going to add about half a cup of the glycerine lotion to it. The glycerine also combined with the shea butter keeps your skin looking shiny and younger. I love this oil. I love this oil. It keeps your skin very shiny. And also after that, I'll add our tea tree essential oil. I'll add some drops to it. I like this tea tree, the flavor of it, I love it. But you can choose to use any other essential oil that you like. You can go for the lavender, which one that one too, I also love it, the lavender. But this time around I decided to just use the tea tree. This is my first time of using it in my cream, and I love the scent of it. I've been using the lavender, and I love this one too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video. And also, if you want more of these videos, please click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you can also get my videos. And thanks for your support very much. I love this shea butter cream because it also reduces aging signs. You know, I've been using this cream for a long time, for a very long time, and my kids has been using it. That's one thing I love about shea butter cream. Adults can use it, kids can use it, and it works very fine on every skin. So you see, so you just keep this cream in a bottle somewhere and use it morning and evening or afternoon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, and thanks for watching.